Hi students, welcome to the class. Okay children, so in the last class you have learned, yes, integers. Integers means the collection of whole numbers and their negative numbers are called integers. You have seen two types of integers, positive integers and negative integers. Positive integers are lies right side of the zero. Okay, zero right side integers are called, yes, negative integers. Okay, right children. Today you are going to learn a new topic, that is addition of integers. So what is our topic? Addition of integers. Okay, children, do you know how to add integers? Now I will explain you using the number line first to how to add integers. Suppose 2 and 3 both are positive integers. Okay, using the number line. So using the number line, how to add these 2 plus 3 both? How to add these plus 2 and plus 3? It gives what? Okay, now first represent the integers on a number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Listen here, I have given 2 integers are positive integers. So that means you have to take right side. Okay, 0 right side integers are called positive integers. Right. So here first of all, what is the integer here? Plus 2. That means you have to start from 0, 0 to 2. Okay. Now your position is at 2. Now you have to move. Yes. If plus is there, move right side. If minus is there, move left side. Remember, here plus 3. Plus 3 means you have to move 3 steps from 0 to. Okay. But here we are at 2. So that's why you have to move from 2 to how many moves? 3 moves. That is from 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5. Okay. Now finally you reached at, yes, 5. So it is plus 5. Now tell me, 2 plus 3, it gives, yes, is 5. This is the addition of integer using the number line. Suppose if 3 integers, addition of 3 integers, 3, okay, 4 and 5. How to add this all? So 3 plus 4 plus 5. Same way, first to draw a line and represent the integers. That all integers are positive integers. There is no negative integer. That's why you have to take right side positive integers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so up to we can write. Right. Okay children, first here we have to start, yes, 3. So that's why you have to start from 3, 0 to 3. So 3 to plus 4. We have to move 4 steps right side. Okay, count here 3 to 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you reach, yes, at 7. Again, next we have to move 5 steps. So that is 5 moves we have to move from 7. 5 means count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So finally you reach at 12. So what is the addition of 3 plus 4 plus 5? Count here 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. Without using number line also we can count. Here with using number line we got same answer. Okay na? So this is the way of finding addition of integers using the number line. Did you clarify that one? Right. Okay children. So not only these 3, you can do addition using 4 Okay, so using the number line it is easy, right? Without using also we can add integers. 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4, 11. Okay, using the number line. So observe this number line here. 7. 7 means yes, you have to from 0 to 7. 7 after how many steps? First 4 moves you have to move from 7. 4 moves means 7 to 8 to 8 to 9, 9 to 10. Yes, 4 steps. It gives 11. Okay, now is it clear? Right. Okay, right. Next, keep heading in your notebook. Exercise 6.2. 6.2. First question. So take your textbooks and notebooks also. Using the number line, write the integer which is. Using the number line, write the integer which is 3 more than 5. 3 more than 5. Okay, we have to use the number line and which integer it gives. See here, 3 more than 5. First, we have to draw line. So here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right. Now I have taken all positive integers on the number line. Observe here, 3 more than 5. Than 5. How many more? 3 more. Okay, 3 more. That means you have to write here 5. 3 more means yes, plus 3. Plus 3. 3 more than 5. So it gives 8. Now, how did you show this one on the number line? Same way. So from here 0 to 5. Okay. So 5 to 3 more. 3 more means you have to move. Yes, 3 moves from 5. So 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8. 3 moves. It gives 8. Is it clear? Right. Same way you can take second one, that is 5 more than minus 5. 5 more than minus 5. Okay. So same way here we have to write minus 5. Okay, minus 5. Here 5 more. More means take yes plus. So plus 5. Plus 5. So it gives 0. Now I will show that one on the number line. Okay, so here negative integer is there. Remember. So you can take positive integers and negative integers also. Okay, no need to worry about that. So if they will give positive integers means we can take positive. If they will give negative, you can take negatives. Here minus 5. So that means you have to yes start from 0 to minus 5 first. So you are at minus 5. Now minus 5 to 5 more. More means you have to move right side. Remember always more means plus. Okay, if plus means you have to move right side. So here 5 steps you have to move right side. So count here minus 5 to minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Finally you reach yes at 0. Now what is the answer? Yes, it gives 0. 5 more than minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay? Right. Copy it. Okay children. Next CD you have to do. CD homework. Okay? So homework CD. CD. First problem CD. Right. Sorry. Right. Next second question. Use number line and add the following integers. Use 6. Okay, 9 plus of minus 6. Right. Using the number line. So that means you have to observe here plus. This of means you have to consider as multiplication. Okay, this of means into multiplication. Okay, so this minus is inside of multiplication. Before doing this operation, we have to remove this one. So that's why we have to know the standard operations that are, so plus into plus is equal to plus, plus into minus is equal to minus, minus into plus is equal to minus, minus into minus is equal to plus. These are the standard operations you have to remember in your mind always. Okay, if two positives multiply, it gives positive. Okay, same sign, plus plus, both gives same sign. Same here, minus minus, it gives plus. Okay, if plus minus both multiply, it gives minus. Remember ma, if same signs is there, plus will give. If different signs are there, it compulsory gives minus. Same way here we have to apply. So find the solution. 9 plus of minus 6. So what I said, remove this one. Okay, 9. Here plus is there. Okay, observe plus. What I said, this one into. Consider it as into. Plus into minus. Plus into minus. It gives minus. Okay, so we removed this one now, right? So we have to remember the standard operation. Plus into minus is equal to minus. Now it is easy now. So yes, using the number line. So draw first line and represent the integers here. So here 0. So highest integer is 9. Okay, you can give up to 10 or okay, up to 9 or 10. Okay, we have represented the integers on the number line. Now first you have to start from 9. So that's why you have to first here 0 to 9. Now you are here. You are at 9. Now our next step is minus 6. I said you know. So minus means you have to move, yes, left side. Plus means move right side. So here minus 6. You have to move 6 steps left side. From where? Yes, at 9. Now move from 9 to 6 steps left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you reach, your destination is, yes, 3. So what is the value? 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. It is easy na? Yes. Only the thing is, remember the standard operations, and if plus or minus is there, which steps we have to, where we have to move. That one you have to remember. Right. And the next one, okay, B1 easy, B1 you can do, C1 also, B, C, D, very easy. So now I explain you E problem, okay na, E problem. So that is minus 1 plus minus 2 plus of minus 3. Minus 3. So already I explained you how to add two integers using the number line and how to add three integers using the number line. So here also he has given three integers. We have to add three integers using the number line. Observe here. So here also brackets. Okay na? So these integers are in the bracket. So that means it is, you have to consider as multiplication. First of all, minus 1 plus into minus. Plus into minus. It gives yes minus 2. Again plus into minus. It gives yes minus 3. Okay. Now it is easy now. Yes. So here next draw line and represent. So all are negatives. So you can give positives and negatives. Always you can represent positives and negative integers mark. No need to worry about that. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Okay. Minus 6, minus 7. Right. So here first thing is yes you have to move from minus 1. So minus means you have to move left side from where? Yes 0 to minus 1. One step. And again minus is there. So you have to move which direction? Yes left direction. So that is how many moves you have to move? 2 steps. From where? Now you have to move at minus 1. Already you reached from 0 to minus 1. Again minus 1 to 2 steps you have to move left side. So from minus 1 to yes 1, 2. So you reach 2 steps left side means minus 3. You reached at minus 3. Again you have to move minus 3 steps. That is left side. Minus 3 to 3 steps move left to 1, 2, 3. So you reach yes it gives minus 6. So this minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 is equal to minus 6. Is it clear children? Very easy problem. So easy problems you have to solve remaining problem that is F. In the second one I have given homework to you. That one also you have to solve. Copy it. Right. Next third one. Add without using number line. Up to now you have seen how to do addition using the number line. Okay. Here you have to add integers without using number line. So here he has given in third A1 11 plus of minus 7. Okay. So without using we know that standard operations. Okay. So here see 11 plus of minus 7. So consider this of is multiplication. Right. Here first 11. What I say first step is you have to remove this bracket. How? So you have to consider this bracket as into. Okay. Plus into minus. Two signs are different. Different signs gives minus. Okay. Plus into minus gives minus. So here 7. 11 minus 7. 11 minus 7. 4. So what is the answer? 4. Okay. Right. Next second one. B. Minus 13 plus of plus 18. How I am reading? So you have to observe carefully. Minus 13 plus of plus 18. Plus of plus 18. Here also observe minus 13. So before this bracket nothing is there. You have to remember there plus is there. Plus into minus. Yes, minus 13. Again plus into plus. Two same signs. Same signs are there. It gives plus only. Plus into plus gives plus 18. Now observe here minus 13 is a negative integer. Plus 18 is a positive integer. So plus 18 more or minus 13 more? Always positive integers are more greater than the negative integer. Here plus 18 integers are there. We have to subtract 13 integers from 18. So remaining how many integers are there? 5. Very good. 5 integers. That is the answer. So easy kada? problem? Right. Okay. Next to C minus 10 plus of plus 19. Same, already you have seen. Same way. So minus 10. Yes, minus 10 plus of plus 19. So minus 10 plus 19. It gives, yes, 9 is the answer. Right. Next one, D. 250 minus 250 plus of plus 150. Okay. So here, yes, plus into minus is minus. Minus 250 plus into plus 150. So minus 250 plus 150. Here remember 250 is greater than 150. But in front of greater integer, which sign is there? Minus. Okay. So that means we have to subtract from negative integer to positive. Okay, subtract 0, 5 minus 5, 0, 2 minus 1, yes, minus. But observe here, so this larger value having minus, that's why we should give minus. So what is the answer? Yes, minus 100. Minus 100. Okay, now children? And remaining E, F we have to do. This one also very easy. So third one, E, F. E and F homework. And next note down fourth one. Right. Find the sum of 137 and minus 354. Okay, sum means, yes, sum is nothing but addition. Here also we have to, yes, add these two integers. Right. So here sum means you have to remember plus. Sum is equal to plus. So here 137 plus. So here it is negative. So that's why you have to keep this integer in the bracket. Okay, na? So why? Because if plus minus like this, so it gives meaning? No. So it is very difficult to subtract or add from the negative from any integer. So that's why we should keep this one in the bracket. Right. So here next 137 plus into minus, we know that plus into minus, yes, minus 354. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to do here subtraction. Why? Because here 354 is greater. Okay, remember. So but in front of it contains minus. Comparing to this one, it is less. Even though we have to do subtraction from 354. 354 plus 137. Subtract. So here 4 minus 7. Not subtract. Okay, not subtracted. That's why you have to take from 5. Borrow. So it gives 14. 14 minus 7? Yes, 7. Okay, next already here we have taken one value reduced, that is 4. 4 minus 3? Yes, 1. Again 3 minus 1. So it gives 2. But so here 354 is greater, but here it has negative sign. We have to give in front negative sign. Okay, so what it gives? Minus 217. Okay na? Greater value ne, but here it has negative sign. So which integer is greater, that integer which sign contains, that sign you should give. You have to remember always. Right. Next, minus 52 and 52. Okay, minus 52 and 52. So we have to do here sum. Sum means addition. Here minus 52, addition symbol is yes, plus 52. Minus 52 plus 52. Okay, it gives yes, 0. Okay now children, is it clear? Right. So next here C and D we have to do. The fourth one C D problem is homework. And next question, note down in your classwork. So fifth one, find the sum. Find the sum of minus 7 plus of minus 9 plus 4 plus 16 plus 16. Right. Okay, find the sum of minus 7 plus of minus 9 plus 4 plus 16. Observe here how many integers? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 integers. In these integers it contains negative integers and positive integers are there. Okay. So here this minus 7 plus here plus of minus 9. So both are in the bracket. So we have to, yes, first step is you have to remove this one. So how to remove? So using the standard operations. So here of minus 7 in front no sign is there. You should consider yes, it is plus. Plus into minus, minus 7. Again plus into minus. This bracket is you have to consider as into multiplication. Plus into minus. Yes, minus 9. Again plus 4 plus 16. Okay. Is there any brackets? No. Simply as it is you have to copy that one. Right. Next here minus 7 minus 9 plus 4 plus 16. Okay. Here two negative integers, two positive integers. First thing is which are same integers. So same sign integers you should keep one side. So you should first do that operation. Here minus 7 and minus 9 both negative. So same signs means you have to do addition. Okay. Right. Minus 7 minus 9. How much? Both are negatives. Minus 7 and minus 9. Both it gives yes, minus 16. Okay. After plus 4 plus 16. Both positives. It gives plus 20. Plus 20 minus 16. Here minus and plus. Different signs are there. Okay. So you have to subtract from 20 to minus 16. It gives 20 minus 16 is equal to 4. Okay. So a greater integer, it contains plus. We have to give plus, but no need. So if nothing, if 4 in front sign is not there means you should remember it has plus. It contains plus. Okay now children? So don't worry about this one. First thing is you have to separate from brackets. And next step by step you have to solve. Right. Next one. Right. So in this question you have only two problems. One I explained. Second one you have to do homework. Okay children. So today your homework is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Some problems I explained. The remaining you have to do. This is your homework. Okay children. Bye. Have a nice day.